We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up all our friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah.
Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. Today we're going to have some fun with interference paint. Now the fun thing about an interference paint is, these are the paints we're using today, and they look like white, 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 and white. That's how they look in the tube. When they dry, they will be a red tone, a gold tone, a blue tone, and a violet. And I've also thrown in a Piggy, that's an interference Piggy, and this is Brulee copper. And when you put those interference paints over top of a dark background, for today we're going to use Master's Touch Permanent Black, when they dry, they interfere and they change what you see. It might look a little lighter from this angle, and you tilt them a little and bam, comes out the color. So we're going to have some fun. We're going to do a little bloom swiping on some coasters and see how these work. Hey everyone. Okay, so there's a mess here because I did something else first. We're going to play with some tiles real quick. So this is our black pillow. Probably way too much. So the first one is violet. So this is interference pearl paint. Next is blue. Now they all look white, but they're supposed to change and they dry. This is gold. This is red. And then I'm throwing in a little of my TLP Brulee, which is interference copper. Throw that right down the middle. And I've got my Titanium White cell activator.
Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's you, right next to you, next to you, next to you. Next to you, right next to you, to you, next to you, next to you, next to you. Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never.
Number 2.
When you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours. You are mine. You took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again.
Violet.
It could rain, I don't mind. I'll fight for you when things get hard.
I think we're going to redo this one.
On me when you're not strong enough to carry on. Baby, you should know I got you. 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 I know the world can be a crazy place sometimes. We can leave tonight, leave it all behind. If the end is near, just know that I got you. I'm your armor when things get tough. No, I got you back. Your battles are mine too. I'll fight for you when things get hard. Lay it all on me when you're not strong enough to
Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, liking that one. All right, threw a little of the waste paint on that. Just to cleaned up a bit. So this will just have a nicer base. Sparkly base. Violet, blue, gold, red,
What's your story?
Brulee,
Your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life.
ooh,
Connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers.
oh wow, that one's looking cool already.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive.
Okay. Oh, I hope these dry well. The colors should all change and darken as they dry. Hold on. Make more room over here where I'm putting the dry ones. Or the done ones. Alright, hold on. Again, I got a couple scrapings on there.
We're dreamers.
Pull it all the way out. So that seems to be working better. Alright. Last one.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That
Violet.
tells me
Blue.
that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime.
Gold.
We come alive.
Red. Brulee. Activator. I did that one well. I think I missed that one. You didn't know about that one. You may want to redo this one. That's pretty, but this is a little too gray. I'm gonna give it one more spin. Okay, I want to redo this one. Redo. I got more paint. I missed that spot. Whoa, now that's cool. It's not quite over here. Just a bit. There, one more spin. All right, hold on for wet results on all of them. Okay, these are our 4 wet results. So we'll get in here. Now, if these come out right, a lot of this white is gonna turn into a color like magic. No idea if it's gonna work, but we're having fun and we don't care. All right, that's the wet results. They're looking cool wet. Let's see what happens when they get dry and these interference paints do their trick. Hang in for dry results. Okay, we have the dry results on these coaster tiles, and as you can see, they're not just white anymore. And I'll give you a little more of a close-up of the shine, but look at the color. I'd say the blue and the violet worked best. You can definitely see the Brulee. The red and the gold, well, the red I think worked the least, but if you look at these, look at the shine here. You see how that glimmers when the light hits it? Oh, so pretty. Oh, I'm loving that. That's the first one. Let's grab another one. So you can see. Look at that. Look at how it gets more color in certain light. Oh, ooh, I'm happy. I love when something works. Not white anymore. Oh, look, and even more so color depending on the light that hits it. That's what that interference means. It catches the light, changes how you see it, causes the shift. That last one. Here's the last one. Pretty cool. Loving this. All right, that's the tile coasters. Thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel. I really appreciate you coming out, watching the videos, leaving me a like, a comment, subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out, and I appreciate it. So you have a wonderful, wonderful day.